In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform with Hubspot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your data entry, or a marketer wanting to enhance your CRM efficiency, integrating these platforms can offer seamless and automated workflow solutions. So let's get started. First, we'll navigate to the Typeform website. Open up your preferred web browser, type in www.typeform.com and hit enter. You'll find yourself on the Typeform homepage. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a Login button. Click on it to proceed. Now, if you already have a Typeform account, you have a couple of options to log in. You can either enter your credentials, which include your email address and password, or if you've previously linked your account to services like Google or Microsoft, you can log in via those platforms. Simply choose the option that works best for you, input your details, and then click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you'll need to select the specific Typeform you want to integrate with Hubspot. If you don't have one yet, no worries, you can quickly set up a new form right there. With your form open in the builder, locate and click on the Connect tab. This section is where all the potential integrations live. From this list of available integrations, look for Hubspot. As you click on it, if this is your first time setting up this integration, you'll be prompted to log into your Hubspot account. Simply enter your Hubspot credentials and you'll be ready to proceed. Let's move on to trigger actions. This is a crucial part of the integration process where you decide what happens to the data from your Typeform submissions once they reach Hubspot. You have the choice to create new contacts, update existing ones, or even add the data as a deal. Reflect on your workflow and choose the action that best supports your needs. After selecting your desired actions, it's important to map your Typeform fields to the respective fields in Hubspot. This mapping ensures that the data is accurately transferred and stored where you want it. Once everything is aligned just right, make sure to save your settings. Finally, don't forget to activate the integration itself. And there you have it. From now on, every time someone submits a response through your Typeform, the data will flow straight into your Hubspot account, keeping your records up to date effortlessly. This integration can be an invaluable asset to saving time and minimizing errors in data transfer, empowering you to focus more on strategic tasks. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial, and I hope you find this integration as helpful as I do.